Oh! Frank. Hello folks, on Netcruzer RC. I am at CTSR for the Canadian Challenge 2025 presented by Zombie North America. We're going to go out in USGT. I've done 2 seeds, 3 qualifiers with the USGT. This is the first time I've ever raced this car. This is the Xpress XQ11 and I'm starting P4 in the A main. There's only an A, there's only 5 racers. I am trying to not get last. The car is handling okay, but I'm not quite on a top 3 pace unless another racer really crashes out bad, but we will try and see if we can get there. I'll be starting P4 in the A main. Here we go in USGT.
I got no brake when I hit brake and it's at 120.
All right, track is open. We get 2 laps before we get staged up.
Marshall ready? Driver ready? Are you ready? At the door, less than 5. Good stop. Go on the straight, here. So we have Gordy, Bazaar, Dean, John, Jardine, 5.
Oh! Frank.
So it's Gordy, Bazaar, and now Johnny's 3, Dean 4, Kennedy 5. Up now for foreigners, Jardine 9-9, Gordy 10-1, Bazaar 10-1, Dean 10-3, John 10-5.
Made a mistake. Now I need Diener to make a mistake.
Now, second. Nice serve for Gordy last lap. 9-9 for John. Gordy, John, Bazaar, Dean, and Denny.
Oh no! Oh, you lucky.
I rolled at the same time, man.
I know, but you rolled ahead of your...
Gordy, John, Bazaar, Dean, and John Kennedy. Closest back on the track is Gordy and John. John is
son of... That's three friggin' rolls now.
John Kennedy is 3 seconds behind Dean. So everybody, Six last lap for Gordy. Right to gear.
I forgot to shift earlier.
You want a 9.5, Gordy. Push. 34.95. That's 4.95, Gordy. Good to go.
Well, that's that. I got last. Too many mistakes. Same laps as Dean, but I crashed more. Good job, buddy. Good job. You got me. I got 2 more chances to try and beat you. Alright guys, that was USGT, man. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. If you're new here, subscribe. You want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching.